You've been dieting for as long as you can remember. The calories are at an all-time low, the scale isn't moving anymore, and your motivation is pretty much gone. You're about to give up. If this sounds anything like you, don't give up yet, because I'm about to tell you exactly how to fix that issue. And also, if you're about to start a weight loss diet, I recommend you try this as well to avoid that issue and also make your cut much, much easier. So in this video, we're going to talk about reverse dieting. What is it, who should consider doing a reverse diet, and exactly how to do it. Plus at the end, I'm going to give details on how to enter the giveaway I'm currently doing. We already know that when it comes to weight loss, it's about being in a caloric deficit. Everybody has a maintenance level of calories or metabolism, and if you eat less than that number of calories, you will lose weight. The catch though is that your body adjusts this level of calories according to the amount of food you're eating. So as you're eating less and less food, that maintenance level of calories gets lower and lower, so you have to continuously eat less food to continue to see weight loss. And if you do this for long enough, you get to a point where it's just not sustainable anymore. The good news though is that your body will actually adjust this number up as well as you eat more and more food, and essentially that's what a reverse diet is. Very, very slowly increasing the amount of calories that you eat to cause this number to go back up. Now if you do this properly, you won't put on any body fat, and if you do put on some scale weight and you're training during your reverse diet, it will likely be muscle. We'll talk about how to do that later in this video, but first, who should consider a reverse diet? The first person I would recommend a reverse diet to is the person who's been dieting for a super long time. They're not at their target weight yet, but their calories are just super low and they've lost all motivation because they can't seem to lose any more weight. This is where a lot of people screw up. They give up, they go back to their old ways, and they regain all the weight back, if not even more. What a lot of people don't know is that depending on how much weight you have to lose, weight loss often happens in multiple stages. So congratulations, if you're at this point, you've made it through stage 1. You should be proud of yourself. Don't give up. All you need to do now is give your body a little bit of a break, reverse diet your maintenance calories back up, and then you can go into phase 2 and reach your goal. A lot of people think that just because they reached the end of phase 1, they failed. They don't know that they reached the end of phase 1. They just think that, oh, well, I guess I can't lose weight anymore. That is not the case, so don't throw all your progress away. The second person I would recommend a reverse diet to is someone who's about to start their weight loss diet. Say they're all motivated and fired up and ready to watch the weight fall off the bone. Say their maintenance calories is 2,500 and they're a full-grown adult male and they're gonna cut at 2,000. Like, that's pretty low to start. You know, as you continue dieting, you're gonna have to lower that more and more. I don't care how much willpower or motivation that you think you have, that you can just power through it, and who cares how low the calories get, you're just gonna get it done. It's easy to think that way before you started and when you're not starving yet. When you get that low, you are not going to beat your body's built-in survival instincts. Hunger and starvation is one of the strongest survival instincts your body has, and you cannot fight it. You may think you can, but that's because you're not trying yet. When you get to that point, it's gonna cause a whole bunch of problems, mental, physical. It's gonna screw up your hormones. Just don't go down that road. Trust me, I tried it. I've tried crash dieting in the past. I really screwed myself up. Go watch the Chasing Perfection series. It's my old series. It's basically all about the ED I used to have. What caused this was essentially crash dieting, and how I fixed it was reverse dieting out of it. And think about it. It may take longer because you have to reverse diet for a month before you can't start your weight loss yet. But if you get your maintenance calories up to 3,500 and you can cut at 3,000, it's not even gonna feel like a diet. It's gonna be so easy that you're like, shit, I could do this forever. And that's the trick. So now the part you've been waiting for, how do you reverse diet? And we'll get into that in a second, but if you're enjoying this video and you think it's helpful, if you could leave me a like, it honestly means so much to me, and consider subscribing if you want to see more diet and weight loss content in the future. Anyways, take Bob. Bob started at 250 pounds. His goal is to get to 200 pounds. He's currently 220. Bob is a full-grown male and he's currently eating 1,500 calories. He can't do it anymore. He's about to give up. Congratulations, Bob. You made it through phase 1. Now what you need to do is reverse diet. So reverse dieting is very individual specific and varies per person. You may have to do some testing depending on like your maintenance calories and how aggressive you want to go. But say Bob's maintenance calories are, like I said, 1,500 calories because he's been eating that for a month. He hasn't lost any weight. He hasn't gained any weight. How many calories do you add on top of that? 100 to 500, depending on how aggressive you want to be. If you want to be more conservative and go around 100 calories at a time, you are not going to put on any body fat. Now you may put on a tiny bit if you want to go faster and get your reverse diet done faster. If you add like 500, like I said, it's individual specific. It's up to you. Are you okay with going faster so you can start phase 2 of your weight loss plan? Or do you want to play it more conservative, take your time, don't put on any body fat, but you know, not start phase 2 for a while? So Bob's gonna add on 200 calories. He's now eating 1,700 calories. Eat this for 1 to 2 weeks and see how your body responds. A big tip I have for you is stop weighing yourself every day. Weigh yourself when you first start and then once a week. When you start a reverse diet, you are likely to put on some scale weight, but I promise you it is not fat. It's water weight and extra food actually in your stomach. But seeing that number go up immediately can really mess with your head. So stop weighing yourself every day. Bob's gonna weigh himself at the very beginning. He's gonna eat 200 extra calories for a week, and then he's gonna weigh himself again. Bob is now 222 pounds. That's good. We're gonna test it for one more week. So eat 200 more calories for another week. Say at the end of it, Bob is still 222 pounds. There you go. He hasn't gone up any weight, and the 2 pounds are more water and glycogen in his muscles. It's not actually fat. So now what Bob's gonna do is he's gonna add on, he wants to be conservative, so he's only gonna add on 100. He goes up to 1,800 calories. Do the same thing, weigh yourself. Bob's at 222 pounds. A week later, he weighs himself again, eating 1,800 calories. He's now at 222 pounds again. Congratulations, Bob, you just upped your maintenance calories again. Now he's gonna add on, he wants to get a little bit more aggressive, so he's gonna add on 200 again. He's now up to 2,000 calories again. He's eating food again. He feels good. His metabolism's firing up. He's feeling stronger in the gym. This is what you want. This is the point of a reverse diet. Bob weighs himself, he's 223 pounds. Oh no, this is not a bad thing. This is likely not fat. If your metabolism's firing up, you're feeling better, you're feeling more energized, it's probably just a little bit of water weight or some glycogen in your muscles. This is why I say don't weigh yourself every day, because honestly, I know how it feels. You've been wanting to see that weight go down for so long, and now seeing it go up a couple pounds can really mess with your head. I promise you it's not fat. As long as you know you're not binging, don't do that. That's where things go out the window. Do not eat 5,000 calories in one sitting. Take it very slowly and conservative, and you'll be okay. So basically, Bob's gonna continuously add 100 to 200 calories on top of his maintenance calories. His calories go all the way up to 3,500 calories. Now Bob can comfortably start phase 2 of his diet and get down to his goal weight of 200 pounds without wanting to die. If you go slow enough, you listen to your body, you don't binge, that's where things go south. You keep training, you'll likely put on some muscle. This is how you reverse diet. Now, what kind of macros are you supposed to add? First things first, you wanna be getting your protein. So consider you're already getting your protein from your previous diet. Your fats are likely at an unhealthfully low level if your calories are super low, and you want to get those up so your body can start functioning normal again. It'll fix your hormones, it'll fix your systems. Fats are what keeps your body running, so get those fats up. Add some things like peanut butter, maybe some olive oil, some avocado is really healthy into the reverse diet. But be really careful when it comes to fats because they're super calorically dense. So don't just like say, oh, I'm just gonna dump some olive oil on my chicken and rice and call it a reverse diet. There are so many calories in olive oil, be careful, weigh that shit. But once you get your fats at a healthy level, like 25 to 30% of your caloric intake, your fats are like at least like 60 grams. Take this with a grain of salt, it depends on you as a person. Diets are very individual specific, but say your fats are at a healthy level, then you can start adding in the carbs. Add some rice, add some oats. This is when you're really gonna love the reverse diet. You're gonna start getting your energy back. You're gonna feel really good in the gym. You'll probably start hitting PRs again. You'll feel stronger. Like those carbs are gonna give you energy again. But this is also what's gonna cause a little bit of water weight gain. So don't weigh yourself every single day if you don't wanna mess with your head. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for reverse dieting. The giveaway real quick, I'm a diet nutrition coach and I'm giving away 1 month of free diet nutrition coaching. If this sounds cool to you and you wanna work with me, if you need some help with your diet or some weight loss, I can help with that. Go ahead and join my Discord. That's where you can enter the giveaway. There you can find a little form to fill out and you can basically tell me why you are entering the giveaway, why you want diet nutrition coaching. And I'm gonna handpick the winner. I'm gonna look for someone that is, maybe really struggling with their weight loss journey, someone who has an ED, someone who just doesn't understand how it all works. I'm gonna try to really help someone and really change someone's life with this. So if you think that's you, go ahead and join my Discord to enter the giveaway. But that's gonna wrap it up for how to reverse diet. Basically, very slowly add 100 to 500 calories on top of your maintenance, 1 to 2 weeks at a time. Let your body feel it out. Watch your weight, but don't weigh yourself every day. Just do that, and over time, your maintenance calories is gonna get higher and higher and higher, and then you can continue losing weight again, or you can maintain it at that new calorie level. I hope this video helps you, and I hope this video saves someone from giving up on their diet. If you've tried reverse dieting before, let me know in the comments below. I'm personally about to start a reverse diet myself because I am super lean right now and my calories are kind of low. So I want to reverse diet back up and we'll see where we're going to go from there. I'll make some videos on my personal journey, but subscribe if you want to see more content. Like the video. As always, peace, love you.